Chapter 2.
Geometry. Point. A dot represents a point. A point shows an exact position or location. A point is denoted by any capital letter such as A, X, Y or Q. The tip of a needle or a pencil is an example of point. Line. When we join many points using a straight edge or a ruler, a line is obtained. It can be extended in both directions endlessly. It has no starting and end points. Thus, a line does not have a definite length. We denote the line AB as AB. Types of lines. A line can be straight or curved. Straight line, curved line. Types of straight lines. Different kinds of straight lines are horizontal, vertical and slanting. Line segment. A line segment is a part of a line. It has a definite length which can be measured. We denote the line segment AB as AB dash. It has two end points A, B. Look at the rectangle ABCD given below. Here AB, BC, CD and DA are the line segments. Ray. When we extend a line segment only in one direction endlessly, a ray is obtained. It has a starting point but no end point. Thus, a ray does not have a definite length. We denote the ray AB as AB. Measuring a line segment. We measure the line segment using ruler. Let us measure the length of given line segment XY. Now we follow these steps. Place the ruler straight along the line segment and make sure that point X is at 0 mark of the ruler. Now look at the other hand, point Y of the line segment. It coincides with 12 cm on the ruler. Therefore, length of line segment XY is 12 cm. Drawing a line segment. Let us draw a line segment AB of length 13 cm. We follow these steps. Now, place the ruler on the paper and mark point A against the 0 mark of the ruler. Then mark another point B against the 13 cm mark of the ruler. Place the pencil at point A and join the points A and B. Now remove the ruler. Thus, a line segment of length 13 cm has been drawn. Open and closed figures. Open figures are those whose ends never meet. They always have two end points. All the figures shown above are open figures. Closed figures are those figures whose ends are joined. They start from one point and at the same point. All the figures shown above are closed figures. Geometrical shapes. Geometrical shapes are formed when we join three or more line segments to form a closed shape. Let's see and learn about various shapes. Plane shapes. Shapes that can be drawn on a flat surface are known as plane shapes. They have no thickness. They have only length and breadth. Rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides, 4 corners and 2 diagonals. Its opposite sides are equal. Here, A, B, C, D is a rectangle. Sides AB, BC, CD and DA. Corners or vertices, plural of vertex, A, B, C and D. Diagonals, AC and BD. So AB is equals to DC and AD is equals to BC. Opposite sides are equal. Square. A square has 4 sides, 4 corners and 2 diagonals. All sides of a square are equal. Here, PQRS is a square. Sides PQ, QR, RS and SP. Corners or vertices PQRS. Diagonals PR and QS. PQ, QR, RS or SP. All sides are equal. Triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Here ABC is a triangle. Sides AB, BC and CA. Corners or vertices A, B and C. Circle. A circle has no sides and no corners. A circle has a center. Here O is the center of the circle. Solid shapes. Solid shapes have length, width and height. They are also called 3-dimensional or 3D shapes. For example, ball, book, dice, etc. Solids have different types of surfaces. Flat surface or curved surface. Faces, edges and vertices. The surface of a solid shape is called its face. An edge is formed where 2 faces meet. A vertex is a point where 2 edges meet. More about solid shapes. Cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone and sphere are some common solid shapes. These solids have different number of faces and edges. Faces and edges can be both flat and curved. Cube. A cube has 6 faces. All faces of a cube are flat and equal. It has 8 vertices and 12 edges. In a cube, every face is a square. Cuboid. A cuboid has also 6 faces. All its faces are flat. It has 8 vertices and 12 edges. In a cuboid, every face is a rectangle. Sphere. A sphere is all round. It has only one face. A sphere has one curved face but no edges and no vertex. Cone. A cone has 2 faces. One is flat circular and the other is curved. It has one vertex and one curved edge. Cylinder. A cylinder has 3 faces. 2 flat circular faces and one curved face. It has 2 curved circular edges. Tangrams. A tangram is an old Chinese puzzle. From the pieces of tangram, we can make many shapes of objects, animals, plants and people. There are 2 types of tangram. The 5-piece tangram. It consists of 5 pieces, 3 triangles and 2 quadrilaterals. We can create different interesting figures using these 5 pieces. Some of the figures are illustrated below. Mountains and duck. The 7-piece tangram. It consists of 7 pieces, flat shape, 5 triangles and 2 quadrilaterals. We can create different interesting figures using these 7 pieces. Some of the figures are illustrated below. Windmill, rabbit, running boy, duck, cat and horse.